Experian can show a different credit score than your bank because lenders often use different credit scoring models and may not use the same credit report data. By the end, you'll understand why your Experian score does not match your bank's score and what to check when the numbers are different. The first thing to understand is that there is no single credit score used everywhere. Different companies can calculate your score using different scoring models, and those models can weigh information from your credit history differently. Your bank may also use a score from a different provider or a different version of a scoring model than the one you see through Experian. This means both scores can be accurate even when they are not identical. The second reason is that your credit reports may not contain the exact same information at the same time. Credit bureaus receive account updates from lenders, and one report may show a change before another report does. To find the reason for the difference, compare the information behind each score. Check whether the accounts listed are the same, whether balances match, and whether any recent payments, new accounts, or account changes appear on one report but not the other. Another factor is the purpose of the score. A credit card company, auto lender, mortgage lender, or bank may choose a scoring model designed for its specific lending decision. The score you see in an app may not be the exact score used when you apply for credit. If your Experian score looks lower or higher than your bank's score, do not focus only on the number. Look at the information creating the score, because the account details are usually what you can verify and correct. If you find incorrect information on your Experian report, review the account details carefully, and follow Experian's dispute process for any information that does not belong to you or is inaccurate. The easiest way to understand a score difference is to compare the source, the credit report information, and the scoring model being used. Your next step is to check both your Experian report and the information provided by your bank, then identify what changed between them. If this guide helped explain why your scores are different, like the video, and subscribe for more practical credit guides.